You crack your knuckles and everyone around you cringes? That loud pop sound is actually gas bubbles exploding inside your joints. When you pull or twist your finger, the joint space suddenly increases. Pressure drops fast, dissolved gas forms a bubble and collapses. Boom! That's the crack you hear. It can take 20 to 30 minutes for the gas to dissolve again. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle back to back. Does it cause arthritis? Science says no. Studies show no long-term damage. But it can annoy people and maybe make your grip weaker temporarily. Next time you crack them, know it's just bubbles popping, not bones breaking.
Show some love with a like, share it out, and follow for more.